We're going to go now back to the phone lines. Our topic tonight is Ask Us Anything. Ron Davidson is our guest attorney tonight. We're going to go to Stacy over in Hueytown. Stacy, good evening. How are you this evening? Stacy, you with us?
I'm good.
Good. Good. Go right ahead with your question, if you will.
Mine's going to be a two-part question.
Okay.
The first part is, I am divorced. The house is paid off, but I have been remarried. I have two children that are 18 and 26.
Okay.
They are left in the will as part owners of this house.
Okay.
My question is, I've been told it would have to go still to probate, even though I have left it to them, but I should put it in a trust instead. That's one part of my question. Second part of my question is, I have made a will and it was notarized, but I have not made it with an attorney. So is it still legal?
Okay, those are great. So first of all, you're wondering, should you put the house in a trust for your sons? And you were also wondering if it would have to be probated, if that's the case. And then your second question is, you have a will, it has been notarized, but you're wondering if it's legitimate if it's not through an attorney. So Ron, your answers.
First question, let me get the facts right. You're divorced and your house is paid for, but you said it was left to a will leaves it to your 18-year-old and your 26-year-old. Whose will? Your ex-husband's or your? I'm not sure.
Stacy, is this your will?
Yes, it's my will. I mean, this is my house.
Okay.
Totally. My house is, my maiden name and everything is on the house.
Okay.
And the ex has nothing to do with it. You know, I am remarried. I was just stating that.
You said you wanted to leave it to your 18, your 26-year-old. Your will can be changed at any time.
They are in the will, and that's what does the will, because it was just notarized.
Oh, that will. Okay. Whether that will is valid or not depends on whether it was properly executed. Were there two witnesses present? Were they present in the presence of each other, and did the notary witness everybody sign it? Doesn't necessarily have to be at a lawyer's office. It's recommended.
Okay.
So that the validity of the will is usually determined by the execution. Okay. Two witnesses.
Okay.
What the notarization does, that makes it self-proving. If when you die, the will, if you're going to probate it, that will has to be proven as the last will and testament. In the old days, before the self-proving wills came into existence, one of the witnesses had to be alive and had to actually go and be present in court before the clerk and testify. Yes, he signed this will. He was under no constraint or undue influence. He was of sound mind and disposing memory and aware of the natural objects of his bounty. That was his will. Okay. He executed voluntarily. Yeah. They would have to prove that. Well, that's what the notarization does. It proves that in the notarization paragraph. It says all that.
Okay.
So that all you got to do is take it in and file it, so nobody has to come and prove the will.
Okay. You had Stacy on the line before we went to the break, and Stacy, one of your questions was if you should put your house in a trust in your particular situation. Ron, what would be your advice for Stacy regarding that?
I need to know what your end objective is before I would say that. Based on the facts that she gave us, I don't think a trust would be prudent.
Okay.
But there may be more involved than it could be. I just need to know more.
Okay, so maybe a call that she needs to give. Okay, we'll see you at the end of the show. If you didn't catch it just now, we're going to give out Ron's number. So please give him a call this week just to get those questions answered. Thank you so much for calling in.